All right, guys. Next up, we got an autographed baseball from 2020 Tristar Hidden Treasures. So you got a ton of names in here, including the Diamond Ticket, Jackie Robinson. So let's see what we can get out of this one. This is the last one I've actually got. So we'll look at doing more of these probably soon, but this will be the last one for a little while. So here's your rundown. Chris K's got the Orioles. Denny K with the White Sox. Let's see on that one. I actually did not get payment from you on that. Let's see, George, you've got the Braves, the Reds, the Tigers, the Astros, the Marlins, the Phillies, the Giants, and the Rays. Laurel, you've got the Indians, Royals, Twins, A's, Pirates, and Cardinals. Paul C. with the Red Sox. Rick, you've got the Angels, Dodgers, Brewers, Mets, Yankees, Padres, Mariners, Rangers, Blue Jays, and Nationals. And then Travis, you've got the Chicago Cubs. All right, let's see what we can get. So same deal with this. It's going to be length of service unless the specific year's inscribed or something on the baseball. And the only thing that would override it would be if it went into the Hall of Fame. All right. So 1965 NL Rookie of the Year. If you can't see if I can. 65 NL Rookie of the Year. So it will be the team that he played for in 65. Any guesses on that? It's going to be a Jim Lefevre. 65 NL Rookie of the Year, 65 World Series champ. So who did that guy play for in 65? It's going to be a Dodger. Actually, played his whole career with the Dodgers. So that one's going out to the Dodgers. Rick, there's another one for you. So we will get that baseball in the mail. And that'll do it for Hidden Treasures. So appreciate you guys joining us. We'll look at doing more of these coming up in the near future.